Usually when you want to shoot smooth and steady footages, you will need a gimbal, whether it's for your camera or your smartphone, but Vivo did something revolutionary last year with the Vivo X50 series. So they basically put a gimbal into the smartphone camera, so you don't need an external device that is big and inconvenient to carry around. So today we are looking at the Vivo X70 Pro. You can kind of say it's like the third generation of this gimbal camera smartphone. So we're gonna unbox this. This is the main one, and this is a surprise, and we'll see what it is. Our main dish of the day, the X70 Pro. I'm just gonna flip it over. Okay. We have the X70 Pro right here. There is another section here, but we'll go through that later. Okay, the first thing you do once you open the box is check out the phone. So this is the X70 Pro. Not gonna unwrap it yet. We're gonna put it aside. Gonna flip it open, and you have Vivo earphones. Vivo earphones. We have the charger, which is let's see, 44-watt charger. So this supports 44-watt fast charging. Oh, there. We have the USB-C cable right here, and of course, phone case for the Vivo X70, and the SIM ejector. That is what you're getting in this box. Let's see what else we have. So we have this interesting drawer section, and in here, you have a Vivo TWS2. So this is the new earbuds from Vivo, but no, you're not actually getting it for free. It's like a PWP thing. So let's say you purchase the X70, you just have to top up 98 ringgit, and you can get the TWS2 A and C. So other than that, what else is inside? We have this fancy looking, I want to say card holder, right? It's magnetic. And inside there is a protection plus, it's a 1-year extended warranty plus 1-year screen crack protection. And this is your very unique personalized fancy Vivo membership card. Now we're gonna unwrap this phone so we can check it out in all its glory. Oh, okay, this is very different. I should talk about this later, but it's very different. I don't know how to explain. And there's this curved edge screen. Okay, time to check out this surprise box, because I have no idea what this is, and it's like as long as my arm. We're just gonna cut this open, rip off the plastic. Okay, I've got this. I think it opens like that. Okay, are you ready? Ta-da! Wait, what is it? Ooh! It's a speaker? Soundbar speaker? Let me just take it out. This is interesting. Okay, what else is inside this box? We have the audio jack. And I guess this is the charger, which is a micro USB. And there's a product manual. Okay, this is called the Cinema Effect Bluetooth speaker. Very nice. I kinda like it. Okay, so this long speaker has a very cute on-off button right here. It's like a, I don't know, tick-tock. That's all it sounds like to me. And on the top, you have volume button. Oh, I switched it on. You have the volume button. And of course, your playback controls right here. And it has these mini legs for you to stand. Very cute. So when you purchase the Vivo X70 Pro, you'll also get a 1-month premium access to View, the streaming service with lots of K-dramas, movies, and even anime. This View code can only be used if you're a new View user. Otherwise, you have to wait till your current subscription expires before activating the code. So we're finally looking at the Vivo X70 Pro, and I already saw something I like from the very beginning, which is this bag. I can't really tell you what it is, but I can tell you what it doesn't feel like. It doesn't feel like plastic, it doesn't feel like glass, it doesn't feel like leather. It's just very smooth. It's a soft, smooth matte texture, and it's obviously anti-fingerprint. And it's a little bit glowy. This is called the Cosmic Black, so it's just very mysterious, and I really, really, really like it. But there is something, which is this camera bump that's a bit obvious. You wouldn't like putting it on the table like that because you can see it's wobbly. But appearance-wise, so similar with the Vivo X60 Pro, this is a 6.56-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED display. It also supports up to 120Hz refresh rate, and you are getting a HDR10 Plus certified display. So I think it's very bright, very smooth right now. And of course, you have the punch hole cutout right here, which houses the 32-megapixel selfie lens. At the bottom, we're looking at a USB-C port. We have the speaker grill right here. This is where you insert your SIM card, and on the side, you get the power button and the volume rockers. Under the hood, you are getting a MediaTek Dimensity 1200 chip, and this comes with 12GB of RAM and 256GB of storage. But like many newer Vivo phones, you also get that RAM expansion feature, so you can have additional 4GB of RAM when needed. And this comes with a bigger battery too. It's a 4450 mAh battery, and it now supports 44-watt fast charging. Moving on to the highlight of this phone, the whole point of this phone, which is it's a camera setup. So this comes with a 50-megapixel lens, which is paired with a 12-megapixel telephoto lens, another 12-megapixel ultra-wide lens, and an 8-megapixel periscope telephoto lens. Now, what makes it different from its predecessors is that it comes with ZEISS T star coating, which reduces ghosting and stray lights. And it also has an ultra-sensing gimbal camera, which is better for stabilization. So basically, Vivo calls this upgraded stabilization Gimbal Stabilization 3.0, and when you turn on your camera, you can choose between standard stabilization or ultra stabilization. So with standard stabilization, you can shoot up to 4K 60 frames per second. And with ultra stabilization, you can shoot up to 1080p with 60 frames per second. There's even a movie mode that you can turn on if you like to shoot videos that have cinematic vibes. Also, if you're very interested in night photography or videography, the Vivo X70 also have some features for that. So for the photo side, you can actually turn on a super moon mode or an astro mode, so you can shoot in very dark situations and the photo will still appear bright. Of course, I think the astro mode is for your night skies where there are stars and moons. And if you like to shoot videos at night, there is super night mode. So that is supposed to help you capture brighter scenes even in darker situations. And that is the Vivo X70 Pro for you. This is definitely a phone I'm interested in testing out, especially at night, because like all these photos and videos night feature, they just seem pretty cool. And even without this whole gimbal thing, I think the phone is pretty much a flagship. You know, you get like 12GB of RAM feature, you get a good battery with fast charging, you have this very nice display, it has a large display, it has 120Hz, and the design is just very appealing to me. I just really like touching the back of this phone. As for its local pricing, Vivo hasn't actually revealed that yet, but this phone will be launching on 22nd September in Malaysia, so we will know by then, and I'll make sure to update it in the description box down below. That's it for our video today. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel KLGadgetTV, and I'll see you in the next one.